Revolution DNA. Revolution DNA is the fifth studio album by the Greek death metal band Septic Flesh. This album shows the band continuing their mixture of death metal with even stronger gothic rock elements than before, while also introducing elements of industrial. The album also puts a much larger emphasis on clean vocals than any other Septic Flesh album, along with death growls being largely replaced by a less intense, spoken-rasped style. Track listing. All lyrics written by Sotiris V. Personnel: Spiros A. Bass, vocals, artwork, and layout. Sotiris V. Guitar, vocals. Christos A. Guitar, samplers. Akis K. Drums. Frederick Nordstrom Sound Engineering, Production. The Mastering Room Mastering. Chris Kisajikian Photos. Vangelis Rashes Studio Rashes Band Photos.